Mental health tips. Managing stress and anxiety for a balanced life. In today's fast-paced world, managing stress and anxiety has become more crucial than ever. Stressors and anxieties are an inevitable part of life, but their impact can be managed and mitigated with effective strategies and practices. Prioritizing mental health is essential for leading a fulfilling and balanced life. In this comprehensive article, we will explore various tips and techniques to effectively manage stress and anxiety, promoting a sense of well-being and peace of mind. Understanding stress and anxiety. Stress and anxiety are natural responses to challenging or threatening situations. Stress often arises from external pressures, such as work deadlines, financial concerns, or relationship issues. Anxiety, on the other hand, is often more internal and manifests as excessive worry or fear about the future. While these responses are normal, chronic or excessive stress and anxiety can have detrimental effects on both mental and physical health. Persistent stress can lead to burnout, depression, and a weakened immune system, while chronic anxiety can interfere with daily life, relationships, and overall quality of life. Mental health tips for managing stress and anxiety. 1. Regular exercise. Exercise is a powerful tool for managing stress and anxiety. Physical activity releases endorphins, the body's natural mood boosters, reducing stress hormones and promoting a sense of well-being. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week, whether it's walking, jogging, yoga, or dancing. 2. Practice mindfulness and meditation. Mindfulness and meditation practices can help calm the mind and reduce anxiety. These practices encourage focusing on the present moment, promoting relaxation and a sense of peace. Daily mindfulness exercises and guided meditation sessions can significantly alleviate stress and anxiety levels. 3. Maintain a healthy diet. What you eat plays a crucial role in your mental health. Avoid excessive consumption of stimulants like caffeine and sugar, as they can exacerbate anxiety. Opt for a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Proper nutrition supports brain function and helps manage stress levels. 4. Adequate sleep. Quality sleep is essential for managing stress and anxiety. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of restful sleep each night to allow your body and mind to recharge. Establish a consistent sleep routine, create a relaxing bedtime ritual, and maintain a comfortable sleep environment. 5. Connect with others. Maintaining social connections is crucial for mental well-being. Reach out to friends and loved ones for support, share your feelings, and engage in meaningful conversations. Social interactions can provide comfort, encouragement, and a sense of belonging, which can help reduce stress and anxiety. 6. Limit exposure to stressors. Identify sources of stress in your life and take proactive steps to minimize exposure. Set boundaries, learn to say no when necessary, and avoid overcommitting yourself. Manage your time effectively and prioritize tasks to reduce feelings of being overwhelmed. 7. Practice relaxation techniques. Incorporate relaxation techniques such as deep breathing, progressive muscle relaxation, or guided imagery into your daily routine. These practices help calm the mind, reduce muscle tension, and promote a sense of relaxation and tranquility. 8. Engage in hobbies and leisure activities. Make time for activities you enjoy and that help you unwind. Whether it's reading, painting, gardening, or playing a musical instrument, engaging in hobbies can provide an escape from daily stressors and offer a sense of fulfillment and joy. 9. Seek professional support. If stress and anxiety persist, consider seeking help from a mental health professional. Therapy, counseling, or support groups can offer valuable strategies and coping mechanisms to manage stress and anxiety effectively. 10. Practice gratitude and positivity. Cultivating a positive mindset can significantly impact your mental health. Each day, take a moment to reflect on the things you are grateful for. Focus on the positive aspects of your life, and maintain an optimistic outlook even in challenging situations. 11. Journaling. Expressing your thoughts and feelings through journaling can be a therapeutic way to manage stress and anxiety. Write down what's bothering you, your fears, or anything you're grateful for. It can help you gain perspective and provide an emotional release. 12. Time management. Organize your tasks and responsibilities by creating a schedule or to-do list. Prioritize tasks based on urgency and importance. Effective time management can reduce stress and create a sense of accomplishment. Conclusion: prioritizing mental health and incorporating strategies to manage stress and anxiety are vital components of a fulfilling and balanced life. These mental health tips, ranging from regular exercise and a healthy diet to mindfulness and seeking professional support, offer a holistic approach to managing stress and anxiety effectively. Remember, each individual is unique, and what works for one person may not work for another. It's essential to experiment with different techniques and find what resonates with you. Be patient with yourself and stay committed to adopting healthy habits that support your mental well-being. If stress and anxiety persist, don't hesitate to seek help from a mental health professional. Your mental health is a priority, and investing in it will reap long-term benefits, leading to a happier and more fulfilling life.